have motivation in the beginning that I have to do this. But there comes a time after a month or two that you don't feel like continuing. You want to like you don't feel like it is necessary that you want to keep going. Yeah, there's no breaks. Yeah. That. So I have an interesting answer to this. Um, Usually this happens to everyone, okay? It happens to me as well. You're not going to get into the flow just by doing something once. You do it once, you stop doing it for some time, you do it again, you stop doing it for some time, until there comes a time where you are able to do it for a little bit longer than you did for the last time. So I conduct these transformation challenges online. Okay. So these last for 2 months, which is 8 weeks program. Sometimes there are repetitive clients. So one person did this challenge in Jan Feb, but they could do only Jan. They weren't able to continue for the Feb. Second time they did it in March and April. This time they did it for 6 weeks instead of bailing out on the fourth week. But after 6 weeks, they were like, no, I had to travel or something happened, someone in the family had an issue, so I couldn't continue. Again, they joined the challenge, which is happening after that for the next 2 months. And then this time they're like, okay, even though I had to go out, I had a wedding in my family, I was still able to manage. I didn't give up. So those 2 days, I went out, I ate out, I had fun. But on the third day, I didn't say that, oh God, I can't go back to this again because I've ruined my diet in those 2 days. So now they are building this mental habit that, okay, 2 days of eating out has not undone the 6 weeks of hard work that I put in. So to build this mindset, they had to go through like 3 8-week challenges, right? So it's not going to happen overnight. It'll take time. But the main goal is that you keep coming back to it. So you don't want to just give up thinking that this is never going to work out. At some point, if you really want it, you will end up understanding how to maneuver through it. Like she said, it feels very stressful at some times. Even I feel very burnt out at some points. But I know that right now, I just have to give my 100% for this 1 hour. After that, I have an hour to relax. That is where I can actually bring back up my energy, do some things that I enjoy, play some music, dance around, have fun, and basically find the motivation to keep going. So you need to do these things in life. Everybody needs to chill out at some point and not take life too seriously.